Good morning, Eagles. So we're here. We're about to start a detailing job. So I just thought I'd take you guys with me as I'll be vlogging all day today. So let's go. This is the trunk. It's not as bad as the customer says. We've seen worse. We've seen worse than this. This is actually pretty good. This shouldn't take us too long. But yeah, this is it. Not bad at all. I think the worst part of this will be like the seats. That's about it. So now we're about to wash it. Let me show you a sec. What's this? Okay, that can come on. It's not bad at all. Done. This is the result. I just got back. I am about to eat something because I'm gonna be on the road long today, so I'm gonna break my fast early, a little bit earlier, and have something to eat and then head back out. I have one more job to do, one more ceramic coating job to do, so I'll take you with me. See you in a few.
A few moments later.
Hey guys, so we are currently on the other job. I am about to start it. spot, another one, which extends here, and then we have another one here. So I'm going to try and get these spots out. And voila, it's all gone. Just like that. Yep. Hey guys, so we are done ceramic coating the car. So as you can see, I'm gonna take you with me to show it to you. Hey Eagles, don't forget to check out my 60 days level up planner on Amazon.
Shiny.
So there it goes. This is just
Looks better than when I picked it.
I love to hear that. Okay, so for care, absolutely no automated.
wheel.
The bristle, they all just
Don't have this. We're gonna have, like all of them.
yeah, that.
Just got back from doing those jobs and now I'm about to take a shower and just wrap it up for the night. So